Welcome to our virtual edition of To Grandmother's House We Go at the Museum of the Grand Prairie in Mahomet. Winter and Christmas decorations have certainly changed a lot since Abraham Lincoln lived around here. They would only have had nature objects then, and now we have so many plastic ornaments and synthetic ones, and we have so many choices. Today I'm going to show you a common nature object that Abraham Lincoln could have used for an ornament. Apples were a very important staple crop in the 17 and 1800s, and they were also often made into an ornament. I usually choose Red Delicious for this craft because of its dark red color and the shape, but any kind of apple will work, and any combination of varieties is fine. So you want to lay the apple on its side, this way, not like this. And please have an adult do this next job. I'm going to slice the apple into 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch pieces. We get about 5 to 7 slices per apple. A couple more coming here. One more. There we go. And do any of you know what we find in the center of every apple? We find stars, and some of them will have seeds left in them and some of them don't. Well, I'm going to pick one of my slices. I'm going to lay them down on my cutting board. You can either thread a needle or use a pipe cleaner. I find pipe cleaners much easier to use. And now I'm going to put it between the center and the edge, right about here. I'm going to poke it in, lift it up, and carefully slide it to about the center. Take my ends, twist them around, and I have my ornament. The only step left is to dry your ornament. So you can hang it up, say on a counter, on a cabinet knob, a door handle. Hang it on your Christmas tree. Those are all great places. So I made this one yesterday. I made these last week. I made this one last year. And this one is decades old. So you will have these ornaments for many, many years to come. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a lot of fun making your apple ornaments. I have another fun family activity for you to do too. Go outside into your yard and take a nature walk. Collect whatever you can find to make a pretty nature ornament. You might find grasses, pine cones would be lovely, some boughs from the pine trees or branches that have fallen on the ground. Might even find a few stones to use. If you make an ornament or a decoration and you wish to share it with us, take a picture and send it to us at this email, pkane for Pat, and we will be able to see your lovely creation. So thank you so much. I wish you and your family a wonderful winter Christmas holiday season. Bye.